Is Skims and Spanx the only brand for shapewear? I think that's a great question. I love that. I know that's for someone in our email tribe. Child, I need a haircut. Sorry to be vain, but man, this is so dark. But no, they are not the only ones. Spanx has been around very, very long. It has dominated the shapewear industry for a very long time. But Skims, Kim Kardashian is very known for her personal brand, her family as well. But I think the name of her brand, Skims, is very, very clever. I know it's a play on to her name, but also, as I mentioned before, shapewear should be like your second skin in Skims. I think it plays onto that strategically. I think that name is just so brilliant. I love it. But no, Skims is definitely not the only one. I'm definitely not going to shout out this one because they are not sponsoring this video. But no, there's a lot of different brands you just need to look. Just kind of just shop around Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale's. I say those not because of the high price and everyone's kind of just a bougie label whore, but the higher quality, I'm not sure if the question was in there, but the higher quality, there is a difference with higher quality shapewear that is made. If you go to like Walmart or Target, which one of these are, it is very, very flimsy and it doesn't do your body or that seamless line that you're looking for very well. So if you've been doing that for the past and you don't really see a difference and don't see like, I don't know what everyone's talking about, go to one of those high-end stores and try something on, maybe like a tank top type of thing. Oh, my camera. Try on like a tank top with a built-in bra and see how fitting and just how it just glazes over your body and creates like a seamless type of silhouette.